Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of WordPress series. And in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can add any code snippet to your WordPress site. For example, you want to connect your Google Analytics or Google Search Console with your website. In some cases you will get a code snippet from them and you need to paste in your header or footer section. So here we have two methods to do this thing. The first one is by editing the theme files and the second one by using a third party plugin. So first of all we are going to see that how we can do this thing using theme editor theme files. So for that you need to go on appearance section and then click on theme file editor. Here you will get something like this. Here you have your theme files written in PHP. In the left side you have a section and in the slide bar you will be able to see theme.header, or you will be able to see a name that is header.php, footer.php. Then click on header.php. Okay, here we have that file in which we need to paste our code, and then we will be ready to go for integration with any other third party connection. So for example, you want to add a snippet in this section. If it's saying that you need to add the code snippet in header section, then you need to add this in header section, and if it is asking you to put in body or in the footer section, then you need to put in body section or in the footer section. So in this way you can add your code snippet in this. I'm not editing this because this is little bit risky, and if you have done your changes then you can just go and click on update files. I don't have much knowledge about PHP, so I'm not touching these files, and I don't want to take any type of risk with my theme and my template and all. So I'm going to use another method to do this thing. So this is also a good practice, but in case of this one, if at any time you want to change your theme, then the changes that you made in this theme will be lost. Here is a negative point about this method, that if at a some time you want to change your theme, then these changes will also be lost with this theme. So when you will use a new theme, then you need to do these things again and again. So this is not a good practice, and you will waste your a lot of time in doing the same thing. So we are going to check the second method, which is literally a good method. And after doing all these things, you just need to click on update file, then you will be able to see all these changes in your website. So let's go for this second method. For that you need to install a plugin, and for that go to plugins area and then click on add new. Here we have a plugin named as insert header and footer. Search for this one, this plugin. Okay, here you can see the first plugin, that is WP code insert header and footer custom code snippet WordPress code manager by WP code. Install this plugin. If you are a beginner, then please go with this one method, because here you have a very low chances, or you can say there is no chance to get something wrong. So click on activate now, and our plugin is installed, and now we can do what we want to do with this thing. Okay, so go to settings area. First of all, refresh your site for once. Okay, here you can see that code snippet section as well. So go here. Okay, here we have different options. For example, add a snippet, header and footer, libraries, generator, tools, settings. We want to go with header and footers, so click on that. Here we have header and footer section. Here if you apply any kind of script in these sections, this will be applied to your website automatically. So for example, we have a snippet and we want to connect that snippet with our website. So what you need to do, you need to paste that snippet in the required place. For example, I need to place the snippet in header section, then paste in the header section. I have a dummy script, I have pasted it over here. So here I have done. Click on save changes, and this is all what you need to do in this plugin. So it's very simple to use. Like you have a snippet and you just need to paste in the required section, for that may be header and footer, or in the body section, and then click on save changes, and you will be done with your thing. So I hope this video helped you somehow, and if this video helped you, so please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.